Well, from pizzas to briskets, this outdoor fireplace does it all and allows you to change what you're cooking quickly and easily.
Well, Michael Miller with Flair Outdoor Fireplace showed me how it works when I met up with him at the Hardware Huddle.
We have this smoke box in here.
Micah.
And we've got a little brisket right in there right now.
Oh, that's
So the idea is, you know, being able to cook with fire, being able to cook with wood, it's a lost art. And we're cooking on gas these days. Why are we cooking on petroleum? Like, why are we using charcoal? Why are we using gas? We should be using wood. There's a lot of different accessories. So you can see we've got a grill in here, we've got a griddle right here, but we also can do a rotisserie. We just took chicken off. Then over on this side, check this out. We got a pizza oven. So we got that stone up pretty hot right now. I mean, it looks like we're probably about 800 or 900 degrees on that stone. But the whole idea with this is that you have these racks that you can set based on what you're trying to cook with. So when you want to go a little bit closer and hot, you keep it down low. Want to do a griddle? Or maybe you want to cook a little bit higher, keep the food a little bit cooler. And then when you say, hey, you know what? I just want to enjoy the backyard. I'm not ready to cook right now. Just take it off, set it to the side, enjoy the heat.
I'm thinking of fireplace, and I'm only thinking about like by the wood, maybe throwing a marshmallow in it, but this is really all the cooking that you can muster.
I mean, that's the idea.
Wow.
But anything you want. You want to do rotisserie, you want to do grill, you want to do griddle, you want to do pizza oven, you want to do a smoker like you saw we pull out of that box. I mean, anything you want to do, you can cook on this.
All right, well, where can people get this amazing stuff?
So the best place to go is to flairfires.com. You can fill out a request form on there, or you can find our phone number at the bottom.
Taking your outdoor space to a new level indeed. Thank you very much.
Absolutely.
Thank you.